What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about a hair dryer that I actually use, a different brand. So I've used the heck out of this guy. This is my Revlon hair dryer brush, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but it has been very used and abused. There's lots of hair in here, but I use the crap out of this thing. It really helps with blow drying my hair and kind of getting it like really straight without having to like actually straighten it. Afterwards I can kind of just go through it with this and throw it in a hair clip, and I'm really honestly good to go. But I got a new one to share with you guys today that I'm excited to try out. This is from the brand Plavouge. I don't know if I'm saying things correctly on my channel, I just don't. But this is in the color white gold. And I'm going to pull it out. This is what it looks like. I do really like that it comes with this little sleeve here to kind of help protect it, or if you want to travel with it. I do really like that. So just using a little bit of blow dry spray. This is from Kenra. So there's a couple different settings on here. It's hot plus, hot, and cool. I'm going to put it on the hot plus because I feel like my hair takes a lot of heat because my hair is so curly. So I'm just going to crank it up to the highest speed and get going. I can't even lie. I love this thing so much. It actually is so much more powerful than the one that I do own, and I feel like just makes it easier to like comb through. Like I can actually use this as a brush. My other one, it's really hard to actually like comb my hair with, but this really good. And this is not even with straightening it. I feel like it's already so like just smooth. But I guess to get the like more blown out look, the key is to really rotate it and like do it up high just like they would at the salon. But I can only do it as good as I can with being up here. I just worked out too, so my shoulders are really sore. Again, I just do it like away from the face, and then this way I do it away from the face to get like that blowout look. But that is pretty much what I'm doing. so this is the finished look without a straightener. I think it works pretty dang good at getting my hair nice and smooth. Honestly, from here I could just toss it into a hair clip, so I could easily just do like a low clip down here. Otherwise, I have actually split my hair like this and put it into like a really simple braid on each side. And I won't braid the other side, this is just kind of like an example. But you could easily just tie that guy off and just have simple braids. You could curl your hair from here, you could straighten it up a little bit more just to get it really nice and straight and smooth. But your girl's going to bed, so I'm not going to do all that. But right now, this is perfect for my hair for the week. Honestly, like I can get a week out of this. For example, when I wake up tomorrow, I'll probably smooth it out a little bit more with a straightener and just kind of really hit my roots a little bit and stuff. And then in the next few days I'll be able to wear different hairstyles. So I'll braid it, curl it, do whatever, and pretty much just have kind of like a Brazilian blowout at home in a sense. And I'll just be able to wear my hair straight and smooth for like a week and then wash it and then go from there. But I think this works really freaking well, and compared to my other one, I think this one is definitely a lot more powerful at getting my hair like wrapped within like the bristles. I feel like this one, it doesn't stay in there as well, if that makes sense. I don't know, I just feel like overall this does a better job, but I'm excited. And of course it's more aesthetically pleasing. It's definitely more prettier compared to like this darker hot pink one. This is definitely cuter, but I am in love. I will definitely link this down in the description box for you guys if you guys are interested in checking it out. Definitely. But that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to check out the description box once again if you guys are interested. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!